Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to wake up your Nintendo Switch and turn it on when you have it connected to your TV. So let's go to sleep mode right here and then go to sleep mode, and it's going to shut off my Nintendo Switch. Now you might have a hard time trying to turn this on, but at any point in time you can go to the front of the Nintendo Switch and you can press the power button right here on the top left, and that should wake it up and turn it on. But we can do this with our Joy-Con controllers as well. So what you want to do is press the home button. So let's press the home button, and you can see it's going to go ahead and search for the Nintendo Switch, and then once it's connected you can press the home button again, and we can connect it now and wake up our Nintendo Switch. So just the home button is the button you want to go and press. If you try pressing these other buttons it may not connect. Then you have to connect the other half of the Joy-Con. So you can just press the top button and then it's connected. So you can see the light, boom, and then press the triggers and it's connected as one now, and we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.